Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're gonna bring something, a scooter, a nice little scooter. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what's going on with it. Let's see what you can get out of it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Toby is trying to help me here. No, Toby, no, Toby. No, Toby, no, Toby. No, Toby, no, Toby, no, Toby, no, Toby. Move, move, move. Yeah, thank you, Toby. Jesus, that guy's a chismoso. And it's ready to go. Just open it up on the side. Take it out. Take this out. Put this on the side. And then we're gonna flex this. Lock it in. Everything you need, especially the kickstand, the 2 screws that go into the kickstand, the Allen wrench, and the little wrench too. So for maintenance and other part, and you could tie it up, and then they give you this little harness. The instruction is not very thorough about where the harness goes. It just tells you how to fold it in and how to put it together, and nothing about the kickstand pretty much, but there's a picture that shows you exactly where it goes, and that's how I found out where the 2 holes go. They're right here, right below. So we're gonna do that right now. Go right here. So we're gonna do that here. Here we go, like that. Kickstand goes in there. So this is what I like about it. There's different levels. If you notice, this is the lower level, 2 and 3 levels up. And then I like this base here. They have the little hooks here. This is going to be a little fragile, so you might end up losing. But what you could do is you pretty much find the connections in here. Lock it in there. Oh, here it is. Lock it in there. There's one. And then we do the same thing for the other one. And 2, and then you got to tie this up too. Make sure you tie this part up, right? You don't want it to get loose. Here's a breakout part in the neck. You could bend it down. It has a spring here. It's a hidden spring. If you guys can see it, it's in between the plastic, so it's supposed to have some springs in there in between, but I don't see the springs in there. And there's also spring underneath the bottom here. This is the bottom part, and this is where the actual brake hang into, if you guys can see it. Now, on top of that, they do give you some tools, and even a hanging part of it if you want to hang it, I guess, or hook it up. And then they give you extra stuff.